What do a grandmother's secret cookie recipe, a gift wrapping hack that saves you $200, and a last-minute dinner that feeds 12 people have in common? They all went viral on TikTok, and they're changing how 1 billion people celebrate the holidays. This is the story of how 15-second videos created a $2 billion holiday economy. It's November 20th. You have 35 days until Christmas. Your family expects that perfect holiday meal. Your budget is screaming. And your teenage niece just texted, "Surprise me with something cool." Sound familiar? Welcome to the modern holiday nightmare. But here's where our story takes a turn. Because while you're panicking, there's a 19-year-old college student named Emma who just posted a 23-second video showing how to make restaurant-quality honey-glazed ham. That video, it's been viewed 2.3 million times in 48 hours. And it's not just Emma. Right now, at this very moment, there are 12.3 billion views on holiday recipe content on TikTok. That's billion with a B. But why? What makes TikTok the unexpected champion of holiday survival? Let me show you something fascinating. When you open TikTok during the holiday season, you're not just opening an app. You're opening a portal to a collaborative brain of a billion people solving the exact same problems you have. Here are the numbers that'll blow your mind. Holiday content gets 150% more engagement than regular content. People watch for an average of 52 minutes per day. But here's the kicker. 68% of people watch recipe videos all the way through. That's almost 70%. Compare that to YouTube cooking tutorials where people bounce after 2 minutes, or recipe blogs where you have to scroll through someone's entire life story to find out how much flour you need. TikTok cracked the code. 15 to 45 seconds. That's the sweet spot. Long enough to show you how, short enough that you don't lose focus. Think about it. You can learn how to wrap 10 presents in 5 minutes, a 3-ingredient dessert that looks like it took 3 hours, and gift ideas for your impossible-to-shop-for dad, all in the time it takes to microwave popcorn. But here's what really makes TikTok different. These aren't celebrity chefs in million-dollar kitchens. These are real people, in real kitchens, showing you real results. 73% of TikTok users say they've actually bought something because of content they saw during the holidays. And they're spending between $150 and $300 per person. That's a $2 billion shift in holiday spending, from traditional advertising to 15-second videos made by people just like you. So what's the secret sauce? Why do some holiday videos get 10 million views while others get 10? I analyzed the top 500 holiday recipe and gift videos. Here's the pattern. The viral recipe formula starts with a crisis moment in the first 2 seconds, like, you have 2 hours until guests arrive. There then comes the impossible promise in the next 3 seconds. And I'm going to show you a dessert that takes 8 minutes. The middle is filled with hypnotic visuals, those satisfying shots of chocolate drizzling, wrapping paper folding perfectly, or cheese pulls that go on forever. It ends with the achievable win. See, you can do this. Take this video of cranberry brie bites that got 4.2 million views. It opens with, "Stop buying expensive appetizers." It shows 3 ingredients, 47 seconds of pure satisfaction, and ends with, "These cost $8 to make 24 pieces." The comment section exploded with things like, 6 and 27 people made this for Thanksgiving. Gift videos follow a different pattern. The problem? What do you get someone who has everything? The journey, showing 5 to 7 unexpected options. The reveal, price points that don't break the bank. And social proof, my mom cried when she opened this. The hashtag, #AGiftideas, has 8.7 billion views. But here's what businesses need to understand. If you're a business owner watching this, grab a pen. Small businesses saw a 340% increase in sales from TikTok traffic during last year's holiday season. 340%. Here's why. Traditional holiday marketing involves spending $5,000 on Facebook ads and hoping for the best. The TikTok holiday strategy, you spend $0, create authentic content, and let the algorithm do the work. Here's a real case study. Maria runs a small bakery in Portland. Last November, she posted a 31-second video showing how she decorates gingerbread cookies. Cost to make the video, $0. Equipment, her phone. Editing, TikTok's built-in tools. That video got 1.8 million views. Her bakery sold out for 6 weeks straight. She hired 3 additional people. Her revenue tripled. 1 video, 0 ad spend. Here's the small business blueprint. Show, don't sell, demonstrate your process. Solve a problem, like need last-minute teacher gifts? Be authentic. Messy kitchens work better than perfect ones. Engage immediately by responding to every comment in the first hour. And use the trends, jump on holiday sounds and challenges. The data shows creators who post 3 to 5 times per week during November and December see 8 times more engagement than those who post sporadically. But beyond the numbers and the business opportunities, something beautiful is happening here. TikTok is democratizing the holidays. Remember when you needed a $300 cookbook, a culinary degree, hours of free time, and expensive ingredients? Now, you need a phone and 45 seconds. The real stories are in the comments. I'm a single dad who couldn't cook. TikTok taught me how to make Christmas dinner. My kids said it was the best meal ever. That got 2.3 million likes. I'm on a tight budget, found gift ideas under $10 that made my family cry happy tears. 892,000 likes. I have anxiety about hosting. These videos made me feel like I could actually do it. 1.1 million likes. When someone posts a holiday recipe, they're not just sharing food. They're sharing family traditions, cultural heritage, money-saving tips, and confidence. And the comments become a support system. Made this last night. Amazing. Tried with gluten-free flour. Worked perfectly. Made this for my 80-year-old grandma. She loved it. This is a billion-person collaboration to make the holidays less stressful and more joyful. The numbers tell us that 67% of users discover new products and ideas on TikTok. But what the numbers don't show is the confidence, the joy, the connection. So here's what we learned. For everyone, 12.3 billion views of holiday recipes aren't just numbers, they're solutions. 15 to 45 seconds can change your entire holiday season. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be real. For businesses, a 340% increase in sales is waiting for authentic content. 0 ad spend can beat million-dollar campaigns. Your customers want to see the real you. And for the culture, we're witnessing the democratization of holiday joy. No longer do you need money, professional training, or hours of time to create magic. You need a phone, an idea, and 15 seconds of courage. Here's my challenge to you. If you're watching this, and you've never created TikTok content, make one video this holiday season. Show your signature dish. Share your wrapping hack. Review a gift that changed your life. You might help one person, you might help 1 million, but either way, you're contributing to this beautiful, chaotic, billion-person collaboration to make the holidays better for everyone. Drop in the comments. What's your go-to TikTok holiday recipe? Business owners, have you tried TikTok holiday marketing? What holiday stress does TikTok help you solve? And if you want more deep dives into how social media is changing our world, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The algorithm works in mysterious ways. But with 12.3 billion views, I'd say holiday TikTok is doing something right. Now go make that cranberry brie bite. Your guests will thank you. See you in the next one.